How to post live photo on Instagram story. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your iPhone's live photos into moving Instagram stories. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Swipe right to open the Instagram camera. Once you're on the camera screen, tap on the photo gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Your photo gallery will open, and here's how you know which photo is a live photo. Look for the small infinite or live icon at the top left corner of the photo thumbnail. Once you find the live photo you want to use, tap on it to add it to your story. Now comes the important part. At the top of the screen, tap on the infinite icon. As soon as you tap it, your photo will start animating. You can now swipe left or right to choose different animation effects until you find the one you like the most. Once you're happy with the effect, you can add text, stickers, or music just like a normal Instagram story and then post it. That's it. You've successfully turned a live photo into a moving Instagram story. If this guide helped you out, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.